Welcome to Luxurium, your cozy corner for tiny luxury living. Here, elegant details meet everyday comfort, fragrance, texture, and light shaping calm, beautiful spaces. Settle in for realistic room ideas, gentle color stories, and refined styling tips that feel doable, soothing, and deeply personal. Let's make small feel wonderfully special. Soft linen light. A tiny nook glows with lavender and chamomile in the air. Reed diffuser whispering calm by the window. Cream walls, brass glints, and a porcelain bowl of dried citrus feel quietly collected. Cozy, composed, and elegant without fuss. It is a place to breathe and linger. Warm white galley charm, citrus and eucalyptus rising as under-cabinet lighting kisses the quartz. A slim runner softens steps, while ribbed glass gleams in gentle hush. Open shelves display calm, pottery blues steady the eye. Everything tidy, every edge softened. A small kitchen that feels gracious and bright. Round table intimacy in a tiny corner, bergamot and green tea floating above linen and soft sage. Sheer curtains filter light into a timeless hush. Slipcovers skim the floor. A silver tray gleams with quiet pride. It is gentle, graceful, and happily unhurried, perfect for slow afternoons. Restful tiny bedroom, chamomile and vanilla drifting above blush linen. A brass lamp warms marble edges as well underfoot hushes the space. The palette is tender, the textures patient. Books breathe on a small niche, and the calm is whole, grounded, and deeply comforting. Grayish hush in a petite study, cedar and lavender scenting clarity. A slim desk, cane chair, and pinboard moments keep everything easy and composed. Notes rest in gentle order. Brass glows softly at dusk. It feels thoughtful, balanced, and quietly supportive of calm focus. Laundry but luxuriously serene. Cotton and lily lift the tiniest closet into fresh, airy grace. Stacked machines, beadboard charm, and robin's egg doors smile softly. Lidded baskets corral life's little tangles. Order arrives with a scent like clean wind, and every inch feels purposeful. Small bay window sanctuary, bergamot and peony twining with daylight. Chintz blooms whisper nostalgia as taupe cushions invite quiet. A pewter light grazes pages and porcelain glimmers. The hush here is real, textures breathe. It is gentle, sunny, and crafted for calm, unhurried moments. Tiny vestibule welcome, citrus and herb greeting the day with a polished nod. Washed oak and pearl gray keep the mood light and grounded. A vintage runner adds soul. Brass lantern glow guides the way. Everything feels trim, tidy, and pleasantly graceful from the very first step. A petite craft corner that smells like rosemary and lemon, bright and nimble. Lidded baskets, glass jars, and striped mats make order feel charming. Sunlight lands on calm surfaces, and the colors stay patient. It is soft-spoken, practical, and quietly joyful to use every day. A gentle guest retreat, lavender and white tea drifting across quilted softness. Sage walls breathe ease while pleated light settles over calm landscapes. Brass taps out little notes of warmth. It feels generous in spirit, small in footprint, and reassuringly peaceful for cherished visitors. Pantry serenity in miniature, vanilla and clove adding warmth to chalky shelves. Rattan bins and tidy jars make simplicity a pleasure. Labels whisper clarity, linen liners soften angles. There is a calm rhythm to it all, a fragrant coziness that makes everyday rituals feel lovely. Sunroom glow in a tiny footprint, narrowly and mint freshening every breeze. Wicker weave, gauzy drapes, and herbs nearby keep the mood coastal clean. Light pools gently over sisal and soft cushions. It is bright but quiet, easy but elegant, and perfect for slow, sunny pauses. A compact dressing alcove with iris and musk echoing softly. Marble ledges and velvet lend tender glamour, while drawers close with gentle resolve. Rattan trays corral keepsakes. Brass catches the day's last light. The palette stays delicate and calm, making every choice feel effortless. Back of house tiny lounge, no facade in view, citrus and herb scent in the evening air. Cedar screens hush the space, gravel and stone ground the mood. A bistro set, linen cushions and lavender pots glow under string lights. It is intimate, relaxed and quietly elegant outdoors. Thanks for spending time with Luxurium. Today's tour showed how subtle scent, soft palettes, and thoughtful textures turn tiny rooms into graceful retreats. If this inspired you, please like the video, subscribe for more serene design ideas, and drop a comment with your favorite detail. Your support helps this calm community grow.